Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be reviewing something I've bought for myself. It's beard straighteners, and what that is basically a brush that heats up. I've had a beard for a while now and I like it, but it's very hard to keep it looking good. And I use beard oils and various other things in it to keep it straight as I can, but it still looks a little bit untidy, so I'd like something to straighten it up and make it look a little bit better. These I bought off eBay for quite cheap. I think they were under £15, and basically they were the cheapest ones I could find that looked nice. And basically we'll have a look, see if it's any good. I'm not sponsored in any way by this. This is something I bought with my own money as usual, but I will always tell you if it's not. But yeah, let's just have a look, see what it's like, and let's get on. Okay, so here it is. It cost me £13.50, so it's not too much, and I just thought it's about time I actually did something with my beard and made it look a little bit less hobo-y. So, do you know what, it feels quite substantial, you know. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic product. It actually feels really nice. Okay, what else? What have we got here? Some beard oil. I got quite a bit of this. I do use beard oil myself. And beard balm. Now I haven't used that myself, but you know, we can give it a go. And then bits of blurb. Lifetime warranty information, awesome. Quick look through the old bits and bobs. On looking at it, if you have a look inside here, the little heat pads are either side of the bristles on the inside. Instructions are press and hold for 3 seconds to start. Then you've got a choice of 180, 200 and 230 degrees C, which is 360, 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And to go through them, it's just a case of click it and it will bounce through them. My autofocus has decided it doesn't want to work anymore, so I'll just keep it all the way down here instead. Let's test this out. Right, so hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And while it's flashing, it's getting up to temperature. And when it's one solid, solid light, it's up to temperature. It does say leave for about a minute to get best results. One thing I like here is, look, you got a swivel, so you're not going to get tangled up, which I quite like. Okay, so it's heated up to the first one. I'm going to go to the middle one now, just for, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm going to test it. And I didn't do my hair today because I thought I'll try it in my hair as well. But okay, so as you'll see, it's, it's everywhere. It's just big and bushy. And what I want is I want it more straight. So I can screen capture that. And now I'm going to go. You can feel the heat from it. I did comb it beforehand, but you can already see how much straighter it is. It's mad. Ouch. Wow, that was hot. Right, I'm going to turn it down because that's a little bit hot, to be honest. I'd assume all of the smoke coming off it is from the oils. So I obviously use beard oil. I haven't used much this morning because I knew I was going to do this. No. It's actually really handy having the swivel cord because I'm not having to change position all the time. That is so much straighter. It means I'll also be able to cut it a little bit better, because the problem I got is because it's so curly, I'll cut it and then it changes every time I sort of do anything with it. Okay, on that, the first setting 180 seems a little bit too cold. Well, not cold, but feels different as well. It's quite an enjoyable sensation, because it's quite nice and warm. Right, what do we think? and 3 seconds to turn it off. That is incredible. That is such a difference. I'm not sure how much is being picked up on the camera because obviously I'm looking in the viewfinder, but, well, in the little monitor. But the difference is incredible. But I forgot to do my hair. I know that's not what it's for, but we're going to try. Okay, so I have my hair flat forward, and then it's quiffed up a little bit. I think if I was to wet it and then do this, it would work really well. I'm not advising you to do your hair with this. This is for beards. It doesn't say that you can do other hair with it, but I did. Right, I'm going to turn it right up and see if that's going to do anything, you know, more to my beard. I'll wait for it to heat up and we will try it. But it's quite a difference. Looking in the mirror, as I say, I don't know how much is being picked up on the camera, but in the mirror, it's such a difference. It will allow me to cut it a little bit more neatly as well, which is lovely. Right. I think that's really done a good job, and it means I can actually cut it a little bit straighter next time as well. There you go. As simple as pressing a button and combing your hair. It works really well. I really liked it. It's comfortable to use. The swivel wire on the actual handle is very, very useful. I thought, oh, it's a nice feature, but then passing it backwards hand to hand, it was invaluable. Otherwise, I'd have had to keep twisting it back to, you know, to change hands, etc. And it's very intuitive, very easy to use. I really like the result after only a couple of minutes. I will keep playing with it, keep practicing with it, and hopefully I'll get quite good with it. And it's not a vanity kind of thing. It's more of a, you don't want to look like a homeless man trying to make YouTube videos, you know? There was that sort of professionalism I was trying to go for, and I genuinely think it makes quite a difference. It will also help me cutting it, because I cut my own beard because, you know, I'm cheap as hell. It's nice to be able to straighten it first and then cut it so that you can sort of see all the length and so on. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. See you again next time. Bye for now.